Hi, my name is Rich Harrington, and I want to show you a cool trick inside of Adobe Photoshop on this week's episode of the Creative Cow Photoshop podcast. We're talking about content-aware fill, and it recently got a cool upgrade. What you'll want to do is select the area that you don't want. So I'll just take the lasso tool here and select this person that I want to remove from the shot. Make your selection loose enough that it goes well around the object. Then choose Edit, Content-Aware Fill. This is going to attempt to remove the object. Now, on the left-hand side, I see where it's sampling from. And my suggestion is you click to erase any pixels you don't want to use. In this case, I don't want the sky being used at all for the results, so I'll just remove that. And it'll pull that out. Then, take a look over here at the settings. I suggest you choose high quality adaptation for the color, and if needed, rotation, and it really starts to fill it in. Now, what it does is really does a better job of blending, and if needed, we can choose scale and mirror so it looks at the surrounding texture. In this case, the mirroring isn't needed, but I think the scale is actually helping nicely. That looks good. And we've got a much nicer blend. Now, if I click OK, it's going to generate that and put it on its own layer. This can make it easy to see, and you can really tell what's happening with a toggle. Now, you don't have to put that to a new layer. Let's just reload that selection there, and I'll throw that one away. And we'll just re-invoke the command, Edit, Content-Aware Fill. Again, remove any area that you don't want. Just paint it out, like so. Be sure to bump up the quality here for the color adaptation and the rotation if needed. This will better handle things. And then take advantage of scale so the texture can adjust as needed. You'll find a wealth of options. I'm just going to output that in this case to a duplicate layer and click OK. Now what I have is the newly fixed layer on top, and I can easily go between those if needed. All right, be sure to explore this tool, but it does a great job for object removal and really helps you simplify things, particularly if you want to use them as a background or a texture. My name's Rich Harrington. Thanks for checking out this week's episode. We'll have more videos on creativecow.net all about using Photoshop, both for photography and for video purposes. And a big thanks to our partner, Luminar Flex, which is a super cool plugin for Adobe Photoshop. I invite you to check it out. Thanks for watching.